Hey, welcome back to Cover That Roof. Okay, so we got these rafters all done over here. We got them all replaced. Now we need to start filling in the space sheeting boards to get it back so we can start walking on this again. So it's pretty easy. We got these boards. We got the 1x6 space sheeting boards. We got my pin and we got a level. So we're gonna be getting them all lined up, getting them down so we're able to walk over this area again. So let's do it. Let's see how we do it. Got the first board laid out. Let's take a look. We're gonna jump something else, get back in a bit when we get more of that done.